Greetings, fellow traders. Bowen here. It's time for the lunchtime market update for Monday, July the 19th, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we are with the market here today. So SPX, monthly chart here down 74 points. Quickly turned to a red candle, shooting star candle right here. We got some follow through off of that dark cloud cover handle here. So again, those dark cloud cover candles seem to get some more downside follow through. And watch out, our McClellan oscillator is below minus 100 right now, which means we could be starting to get some pretty nasty stuff. So in the meantime, we are holding the 50-day moving average here on the daily chart. But again, that close under the 80 MA really got things down here this morning. So we'll see how that goes into the rest of the week. So if we do have a trend shift right here, this actually could be a fresh wave down instead of an ABC. We could be looking at an impulsive wave right here. This could be kind of a 1, 2. This could be wave 3. We might be working on a wave 4 triangle here with all the chop here today. Then we'll see if we get any movement here to the downside. Let's take a look at the SPY and see how it's behaving here today. So SPY, let's take a look. So SPY with wow, it's a lot of volume here today, guys. This is one thing that we noticed here on the in the futures today, that we really did have a lot of volume right here. It looks like a lot of money is trying to get out, potentially. So we'll see how that goes right here. We'll see how we hold the 50-day moving average, but I would definitely say a lot are getting pretty nervous out there. So we'll see how that goes. Let's take a look at the S&P futures, and just so you can kind of see what we were talking about here. Here, let's kind of clean this up here so you can see the levels a little bit clearer. So again, one of the big things here that we talked about going in today was the VPOC cascade, right? We came back and we just sliced through 1, 2, 3, 4 VPOCs. We got one down here below that we didn't quite get to yet, but they may be trying to get here today. This looks like a bit of a retrace and then potentially working its way down. So let's see how that goes here today. We got some clear air below there with some open gaps and things like that. So let's see how that goes going into the rest of the day here. Again, MES, same thing, right? So, but we just need to just kind of track and see how the geometric lines are holding here this morning. So we got the one from earlier, obviously we're still below that. Then we got this right here, right? So still pretty bearish here going into the rest of the day. Let's take a look at the Qs. Qs are kind of going sideways right here, although gapping down here. So we are seeing a lot of chop here today. The IWM with some relative strength here today. Casinos are actually making a move here today. XLF not really playing a part, kind of down here and just hanging out. And the VIX just stretching here today, hanging out above the 20 level. So some nice stuff there. Let's take a look at Apple here this morning. Top down about 3 points here today. Give us a nice move, a little bit of a move from zone to zone, and a bit of a pop right there. We had some call activity, which worked for a little bit there, which I posted there publicly. Tesla, nice big dip by in this one here off of the bottom of the signal zone. So tried to break down right here, then you got that nice spinning top reversal as it works its way up to yesterday's lows, right? Friday's lows, so the inside day low level. Boeing, this is one that we pointed out this morning on the short side, just so weak at the open, cleared all the pre-market lows. Nice candle right here and some good downside follow through here on Boeing today. So nice stuff there. We got a few requests out there. Of course, we got Bitcoin on the radar. Bitcoin down about 1,100 right here. We did say watch out to for 30,500. We called this in the bubble report this morning. We tagged that here today. So some pretty cool stuff there, and they seem to be holding on there as well. Coin got a little bit of a buy here, but it's still down here off of the gap down. Right, so let's see if we can get back above this level. Otherwise, this one could serve as potential resistance here for coin. Sorry, Kathy. Speaking of Kathy, let's take a look at you here. Again, nice bounce off of the daily cloud right here, but still below the 50-day moving average. Amazon down about 55 points here today. Nice follow through from Friday's big increasing volume candle right here for a nice drop here today. Ooh, just gave it a little bit of a spike to the downside, and then we quickly bought the dip off of that one. A little algo action on that one. Nvidia, guys, this is where the bulls are hanging out today. We pointed this out on the live stream here this morning. Just relative strength, and of course rallying it up into this stock split coming tomorrow. So we got that going on here. Some strange relative strength on Piton today. This is one that we pointed out on the live stream this morning as well. Nice inside day up here on Piton, so we'll see if that holds. SPCE. Again, this had some pretty good relative strength here as it started to push into Friday's range, getting a little bit tight right here, so it might be gearing up for another move. And a lot of the casino names looking strong here today, DKNG being one of them. I guess it's a casino name now, so again, nice bullish outside day here so far on DKNG. And last one, mRNA. So this thing, wow, still going right here. Again, the biotech name's still strong, and a big push on mRNA here up to 310. So big move on that one. Nice find. Shirley pointed that out last night. So good stuff, guys. Really appreciate everybody for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the market wrap. In the meantime, we're checking out some chop here in the SPY, and we're going to see if that does turn into a retrace and we get any more downside. So we'll go from there. Anyway, guys, appreciate everybody for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the market wrap. Till then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.